Back to my YouTube channel, which is Nikki Noker, and this is me, Nikita Mehra, and I'm vlogging today for the whole day. So I'm at my place right now. So we have come here in Delhi for the Bharat Tex. So today is the last day and we have a train at 4 and घर की lighting अच्छी है भाई, घर में आती मैं सुंदर सी लग जाती हूँ. So I got ready and I'm wearing this crop leather PU jacket and my nice denims, which is washed in green tones and shades. So this is my outfit and I'm not wearing anything because I'm be traveling by train. And I got my new shoes. I'll just go and show you it Delhi mein jaake. And I also got myself a pair of heels. So the haul is gonna come. So I'll just show you बाहर कैसा मौसम हो रहा है. सो यस, तो सी बाहर इतना फॉग होता है और हमेशा बिकॉज यहाँ पे ना ऐसा खेत वगैरह है तो वो लोग शायद फैशन बर्न करते हैं, रोज़ का रोज़ उनका कुछ रहता है. सो दिस इज़ इट. एंड फिर यहाँ पे दूसरा बिल्डिंग है, ठीक है. सो आई एम एट थोड़ा ऊपर के फ्लोर्स में एंड हमने ये लगाया हुआ है ताकि मतलब ऐसा प्राइवेसी के लिए एंड सन के लिए. एंड दिस इज़ द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. एंड यहाँ से रोज़ सनसेट दिखता है. मैं कैब बुलाई है, सो यहाँ से आती है. तो द थिंग इज़ कि यहाँ से ना कैब आ नहीं पाती, मतलब बीच में बहुत कच्चा रास्ता है एंड फिर अच्छा है तो बिकॉज दिस इज़ द फार्मर्स एंड बीच में. इसीलिए आई हैव बीन स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर ईयर्स टू बुक कैब. मैं शूज़ लेने आई थी बाहर. सो आई एम इन लिफ्ट. मम्मा मेरे को छोड़ने आ रही है. मम्मा. So I just recently मतलब मैं आई यहाँ पे and so we'll go inside. ID? We'll start from here. So this is the campus. I don't know if I can go inside or not. I'll just wait to be here and wait. I'll take my ID just in case if we need. And we'll go inside. So I'll quickly give you all a tour of NIFT Delhi. I'm super excited. So here we are. So this is NIFT Delhi. God, I should have got some. काश मैं कोटा में होती भाई, मेरे को मिल जाता है यहाँ पे. आई नहीं आज तक. मैं डायरेक्ट ही जा रही हूँ. कहाँ से एंट्रेंस है? मतलब मुझे अगर अंदर जाना है तो ओके. सो we'll start from here. So this is the main thing. एंड अगर हम यहाँ से जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे ये आ जाता है. वाह ब्रो, मैं यहाँ पे गिर सकती हूँ शायद. यस, यहाँ पे ड्रेन है, यहाँ पे नहीं जाना. जस्ट somehow loving the concept. It's like so Delhi. I'll take a photograph over here. Wait. The thing is, मैं यहाँ पे नहीं आई हूँ कभी. I'm just loving the place. Already I'm loving the place. Just see. It's super beautiful. And I feel like I don't know, like I'm here for the first time but I still feel like home. So maybe because it's in Delhi, but yeah, I do feel like home. So pretty it is. So this is the main thing. So I don't know from where do I go there? Just need to go there. It's so pretty, everything here. So illustration, tributaries, stairs. Oh, so this is a canteen. It's very pretty. So here we come. So मैंने यहाँ पे कुशा कपिला का एक वीडियो देखा है. So here I have seen Kusha Kapila's video. So here we have chai garam, and this is like such an OG thing, bhai. Wow. भाई ये घर जैसा लग रहा है. I don't know. It's looking so pretty. So this is the whole area. So it's much better. It's I'll see. So this is the Nift canteen, and if I enter over here, we have a very 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 beautiful thing which is not in there. Remember, भाई बहुत ज़मीन है भाई इनके पास. Already loving it, and these are the hostels. Actually, this is the new building of the hostel. I don't know if I'm permitted to go over there or not, and this is the boys' hostel. I don't actually know. And this is the station shop. I think ये boys है. I think so. I don't know actually, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And wow, super cool, super pretty. So this is our college. ये बस है, हम इससे probably जाने वाले हैं. So what is this net entrance? Exam preps. I'm not being biased at all because I am from Delhi, but trust me, the campus is very good, very well planned. It's like a proper college theme. Like every department is interconnected. There is no separate BFT and stuff. I'm roaming alone in this campus, and मेरे को डर लग रहा है. Okay, I think I should not go here. This is some quarters. लिखा भी नहीं है मेंस की फीमेल्स whatever. मेंस क्या बोल रही हूँ भाई मैं. So this is it, and I'm probably loving everything over here. Now I'm gonna take some risk and I'm going to go in the hostel if they let me in. So where should I go from? So I want to go. Wait, I'll just go. I just went to this washroom, and trust me guys, I was too quick to judge, like ever. If you want, like अगर है तो washrooms अच्छे होने चाहिए. This washroom is not good at all according to me, and वो है जो दिख रहा होगा, light भी नहीं है. So yeah, God bless. So I'm trying to go to Nift hostel. Just want to see how is it. So this is a very nice building. We have a connection over here. I don't know, maybe from campus. From mess or from workshop you can directly come to here. Somewhat it is a very nice place. I don't know if this. मैं जा रही हूँ, ठीक है. यहाँ पे मेरे को पता है. Oh God! Don't tell me this is their campus. Go, wow, this is so pretty. I'll cry for sure today. Dude, you can just see me over here. This is looking mirrored, but anyhow, so this is the place. I just don't know, bhai. I want to be here. Mumbai का campus नहीं है अच्छा, मैं साफ बोल रही हूँ. Because it's so big in the first place, and the second thing is कि it's very spacious. Every department has their own space. Mumbai's campus is like तुम वहाँ से निकलो तुम्हें दूसरे की शक्ल दिख जाएगी. नहीं देखनी मुझे भाई. It's super pretty. So that was it. Everyone said कि बस चल रही है. हम थक गई भाई. मैं 6 बजे उठी हूँ. I'm from 40-60 kilometers away. I came here by changing 3 transports, and then I'm over here shooting. Woo! Vlog बना लिया बढ़िया निप डे. So I'm here. I don't know, I just love it. Anyhow, so I think मैं इस वीडियो में सिर्फ इतना ही कवर कर पाई. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I have a train today. So yeah, bye bye. Thanks for watching.